In this video, I will show you how to connect your custom domain with your Systeme.io account. So to get started, first you need an existing domain, or if you don't have an existing domain, make sure to purchase. So you can purchase it from anywhere like GoDaddy or Namecheap or anywhere. Once you have your domain name, just simply come to your Systeme.io dashboard. From there, just hover on your profile. Right, then you can see settings. Just click here on settings. Now from the left, just go down here and you can see the custom domains. Just click here on custom domains. So as we can see here, we already have a domain that is the default domain that is provided by Systeme.io. Now we need to add our own custom domain. So to add our custom domain, simply click here on add domain. Right, now you need to enter the domain name that you have. Start with www. Make sure to start with www. Then just enter your domain name. For example, in our case, our domain name is Get Money Machine. So I'll just write here getmoneymachine.site. Right, this is our domain name. Then I'll just click here on save. So now as you can see, our domain name is saved, and now we need to configure DNS for our domain. So in simple terms, we need to put all this information inside our DNS register, like where you have purchased your domain. So we purchase our domain from godaddy.com. So I will simply go to my GoDaddy account. Right, so as you can see, I'm on my GoDaddy dashboard here. So now if you have already purchased your domain and you have opened your GoDaddy account, then you can simply find your domain right here. Okay, and if you cannot see your domain that you have purchased, or you cannot find your existing domain, then what you can do, you can just simply click here on this menu icon, right, and from there just go to the domain section here. Right, then as you can see here, we have our domain. Right, so now from the left you can just click here on DNS. Right, now simply click here on add a new record to add the DNS record that Systeme.io has provided. So I'll just click here on add new record. Now if I go back to Systeme.io, then you can see we have to put CNAME record. Right, we have to insert the CNAME record. So to add the CNAME record, from the option here, for example, you can see here type. So from the option here, I will choose CNAME here. Right, then we need to enter the name. Okay, right, and then we have to enter the value. So to enter the name, I will go back to again Systeme.io, and from there we have to add this www. Just make sure to select this part only, right, not the rest of the part. Just select this part and then copy this part. After copying this, come back to GoDaddy DNS setting, then you can just simply paste it here. Then we have to enter the value here. I mean, we need to paste the value. So I'll simply go back to Systeme.io and I will just copy this part. Right, then I'll come back, I'll just copy this part, and then I will come back here and then simply I'll paste here on value, and we can keep the rest same. Right, then I'll just click here on save. Now as you can see here, record name www conflicts with another record. So I think there is already an www record existing, so we need to delete that one. So as you can see, there we already have one CNAME with www record. Right, so we need to delete that one. So I'll just click here on this delete. Right, so as you can see, it is deleted now. So now we can add this one. So now we'll just click here on save again. Right, and as you can see, it is added. Right, so what next? So now again we need to add another CNAME record as I have shown you previously. So I'll just click here on add new, and then again from the option I will select CNAME record. Right, and then we have to enter the name. Right, so I'll go back to Systeme.io. So from there you just have to select from this up to here. Right, not your domain name. Right, don't select your domain name, just this part only. Right, then just copy this part and come back to your domain and then just paste it here. Right, then you have to enter the value. So I'll again go back to Systeme.io. Right, and then from there I'll select the entire thing from here and I'll copy this, and then I'll come back here on value and then I'll just simply paste it. Right, then I'll just click here on save. Okay, now as you can see, it is updated. Right, it is success. Right, it is successfully to CNAME record has been added. Okay, now what's next? Now we need to check that whether it's working or not, it's connected or not. Right, so for that we'll go back to Systeme.io. Now as you can see here, it's showing here that pending validation. So it may take some time to get verified, and then it will show you something like that, verified and then ready to use. Okay, then instead of using this one, you can use this one. Right, now to check the records are properly configured or not, we'll simply go to dnschecker.org. Right, so just in a new tab we'll go to DNS checker, right? dnschecker.org. okay, then there, right, from there, as you can see, it is open, right? So now as you can see, this is the DNS checker. So from here you have to select CNAME, right? Then you have to enter your domain name. So we will enter, like, you know, that domain that we have, right? So we'll just go here and then we will copy this site, this domain name, right? And then we'll come back here and I'll just simply paste it here. Then I'll just click here on search. Okay, so as you can see, it's showing this, right? Okay, this tick mark, green tick mark, it shows that it's properly propagated. Okay, and it's working now. Now if you can see here, like, DNS is properly propagated here. From here example, see, like, and like some few places are not resolved, so it may take some time to get resolved. Okay, so like within 24 hours, it all the, you know, everything will get resolved, right? And it means that our DNS, you know, our site will be working and it will get verified soon. So it might take, you know, like 24 hours or maybe like 7 to 8 hours, then it will get verified and then you can use your domain name. So this is everything about like connecting your custom domain inside Systeme.io. Okay, now once it gets verified, what you can do, you can simply select this one like this and then it will become green one. Then you can just check it whether it's working or not. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.